Well, if you're waking up with some aches and pains this morning, you're probably not alone. A lot of folks experience stress due to various reasons and are struggling to manage those body aches and pains that, of course, come from it. Joining us now is Dr. Ryan Mitchell with NOLA Premier Injury Center to highlight the benefits of chiropractic care. Doctor, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Thanks for having me.
So first of all, let's start here. In your line of work, what impacts do you see often when it comes to stress on our bodies?
Definitely. Well, stress has a lot of physical manifestations on the body. Body's normal response to stress would be to release hormones, cortisol, adrenaline, and those things can make the body muscles tense up. They can make you more susceptible to inflammation and to pain. So a lot of times the patients come in with neck pain, upper back pain, shoulder pain. A lot of the times, if there's no trauma caused, they can be stress related.
So how does chiropractic care really help in dealing with not just the stress, but the pain you mentioned as well?
Sure. Well, there's a lot of different therapeutic modalities that we can use to try to loosen up some of those tight musculatures, normal chiropractic adjustments, massage, heat. There's a lot of different things that we can do to try to relax these muscles and to try to realign the spine.
Now, for folks who may have never been to a chiropractor, what can they expect during maybe an initial visit? Is there a consultation involved, or how does it work?
Definitely, definitely. So the first time you'll come in, we'll do a comprehensive exam, a nice history to try to determine exactly what the causes of your pain would be. We have different diagnostic imaging, X-ray, MRI, whatever is necessary in order to get down to the root cause. After we have that, then we'll develop a comprehensive treatment plan for each patient, very, very specific and centered on exactly what we believe that your pain generators are. And then we'll proceed from there with either stretching exercises, some different strengthening exercises that we may want you to do, as well as actual chiropractic adjustments with a variety of different techniques.
And you kind of touched on my next question here. How often should someone visit a chiropractor, and really how long does it take before someone's going to see some real benefits from this?
I would say that you should see a chiropractor at least 2, 3 times a year. You can, just as you would with your dentist, right? You might want to go every 6 months for your checkup, and you should do the same thing, right? Your spine, your teeth are all very important things that you need to kind of keep an eye on, especially the older that you get. And in terms of how long it would take, it would all depend on exactly what you have and what's going on with you physically, right? Sometimes folks will come in and say, I woke up with neck pain and I can't turn my head. It's been about 2 or 3 days. We can usually get you feeling a whole lot better in the same day, right? But we also see a lot of patients who may have herniated disc, slip disc, sciatic nerve pain, and that sort of thing, which is also extremely common. That will take a little bit longer, but we are getting some really, really good results.
For folks who maybe can't get to a chiropractor this weekend, maybe they can't get next week, but they are waking up with some of those aches and pains that you were talking about. What are some tips or recommendations that you would have for them to maintain their health?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so just as you would maintain your vehicle, it's the same thing that you have to do with your body, right? Micro trauma, doing the same things over and over and over again, can cause things to wear down, to break down, just like it would in your vehicle. So I would say lifestyle changes, right? So diet is probably the key, most important thing to help you feeling better. So you want to make those positive dietary changes, as well as regular stretching and exercising, right? So daily stretches will always help to keep those muscles nice and fluid. And if we are getting some cardiovascular work in, a little bit of exercising in every day, that'll help as well to keep the integrity of those muscles in the musculoskeletal system.
A lot of good information there. And just real quickly, Doctor, where can folks find more information about NOLA Premier Chiropractor?
Sure. NOLA Premier Injury Center is the name of our office. We have locations in Mid-City as well as New Orleans East. And you can see us at www.nolapremier.com or give us a call at any time, 504-766-7717. As I said, we handle a variety of issues and cases, whether you've been hurt in a car accident, normal aches and pains, low back pain, sciatica, we can pretty much handle it all.
All right, Dr. Ryan Mitchell, appreciate you being with us this morning, sir.
Thank you.
And of course, you can find more information on NOLA Premier Injury Center by visiting this story over on our website, WWLTV.com.